Dear brothers and sisters and all my viewers, maybe today you are all well and I'm also well. Today I'm going to say you about education, and first time I wanna say you start your self motivation engine and start your self motivation to increase your life, to develop your life, and watch the video. And we know that education is important for society. With the right qualification and educational background, you can increase your chance of landing a fulfilling self job in society. Okay, and so you have to learn, educate yourself, graduate and get as many qualification, skill, knowledge and experiences as possible. Okay, and we all know very well education is key part of a society's growth and progress. When people are educated, they can significantly contribute to their families and societies in various aspects and fields, thus creating a stable and stimulating community. Okay, Allah wants every Muslim against speaking without knowledge. The Ummah needs knowledgeable people at all times and in all places, and a nation without knowledge and scholars will live in illusion. Okay, knowledge brings a great reward for everyone, and in Islam it is regularly stressed that all things comes from Allah. In some cases, such as the revelations of the Quran, they comes directly from him. Okay, and knowledge comes only from Allah, we believe it. And when Allah wishes good for a person, he makes him understand the religions. Okay, and knowledge is essence of religions. Islam is the religions of knowledge. Allah created man and provided him with the tools for acquiring knowledge, namely hearing, sight and wisdom. Allah says, and Allah has brought you out from the wombs of your mothers while you gave you hearing, sight and hearts that you might give thanks to Allah. Okay, the first ayah of the Quran enjoined reading, which is the key to knowledge. Allah says, read in the name of your Lord who has created all that exist. He has created man from a cold, a piece of thick coagulated blood, and read, and your Lord is the most generous, who has taught the writing by the pen. He has taught man that which he knew not. Okay, that's clear. And verily the hearing and the sight and the heart of each of those ones will be questioned by Allah, and emphasizing the status of knowledge and the scholars' knowledge and fears of Allah may be attained by knowing his sign and creations. The knowledgeable are those who know that hence Allah praise them. It is only those who have knowledge among his slaves that fear Allah. Okay, the scholars occupy a noble status in Islam, and which is higher than the positions of others in this world and in the hereafter. Allah will exist. Allah will exalt in degree those of you who believe and those who have been granted knowledge. Because of the importance of knowledge, Allah commands his messenger to see more of it, and Allah says, and say, my Lord, increase me in knowledge.